rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Learned how to pack less, but I have made it easier to maximize the amount of space in my suitcase and find specific items once.
So what we have here are little packing cubes. This is the Well-Traveled brand. This is their little logo here. Basically what these are is you unzip this part here. Like I have this one unzipped. You fill it completely with whatever you're packing, and then you close it up with the regular zipper there, and then you go back in and tighten it here, and it makes such a huge difference. This is excellent if you're going to be traveling far and you want to pack light. We used these when we went to Hawaii. It can pretty much hold anything from, you know, heavy dresses and jeans to lightweight items. They even come with little pockets here, so what you can do is you can write down what's in each pack, and then you'll stay organized that way. Then they also come with two of these, which they don't get any smaller, but they're just great to throw. I like to throw socks and stuff in them. It just keeps everything very nice and organized. Here we have the Well-Traveled logo right there. They are very high quality. The zippers never stick. Completely waterproof, washable, etc. They come in packs of 8. It's like 2 big ones, 2 of these, 2 smaller ones, and 2 of these as well. Highly, highly recommend if you do any traveling. Super easy, can carry them like this. They can fit right into a hard shell suitcase, or can go right in a duffel bag.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The lights so light.